Today's market report is brought to you by RMA Network Associate member Beef Central.
Hi all, Marcus Bauer here reporting on behalf of McCulloch Agencies here at Tamworth Fortnightly Store Sale. Yarded just under 5,000 cattle. Pretty good results across the board. Today the yearling steers touched over $1,400, got to $1,420 or $30 for a good pennis black steers there. The weaner steers topped out at $1,300. A lot of steers between $1,100 and $1,250, especially on the Angus steers and the nice Euro steers there. Onto the heifers. The leader, the yearling heifers, got out to $1,320, with the weaner heifers got out to $1,050 for some beautifully bred weaner Angus heifers out of Moree. Onto the cows and calves, mixed cows and calves here today. The top end of them made $1,750. We've still got the PDIC cattle to go, but all in all, it was a great result for both the vendors and purchasers. I thought there was some real value in that 180 to 220 kilos on steers and heifers, but once you got up in weight, they made some great returns there. So all in all, a great day here at TRLX in Tamworth. Thank you very much for your support.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?